everybody, how are you? Welcome to my Facebook Live. I haven't done a Facebook Live in a while. I've been negligent and I'm trying to do better and get back to doing this more often. So I will do the best I can. So welcome. I want to talk to you today about Blue Rose, your voice, and your confidence. Because to me, they're all interlinked. We all want to live in our Blue Rose. Now, Blue Rose it's mythical. There's no such thing as a blue rose in the world at this moment. When you see blue roses, they're dyed by the florist shop. They just can't splice them together. There's a genetic deformity that does not allow anything to splice together become a blue rose. Therefore, blue roses be taken on this mythical new beginnings, enchantment, starting out. And whenever when you saw Game of Thrones in one of the episodes, somebody had texted me to tell me, check this out. And one of the soldiers gave Darnicia, the queen of the dragons, she was something with dragons, a blue rose because she was going on a new adventure, a new beginning. You'll see a lot of times it shows up, and in fact, it shows up in tarot card readings. Well, not in actual readings, but it shows up in, for instance, this tarot card. You can see it down, I believe, in her left hand. Oh my God, that's so interesting, because I too am left-handed. In her left hand, because it's talking about starting your new adventure and going on your journey. Blue is also the color of your throat chakra. As you know, you have 8 chakras. Each one is signified by a color. So when I see that, it tells me that if your throat is closed, hence you don't have the confidence, you're holding your voice in, you're hiding, you're not speaking your truth, then your chakra is blocked. But as you find your blue rose, as you find your new beginning, as you find your purpose, your passion, then your chakra will start opening and you'll allow your voice to be heard and your confidence increases, because they're all related. If you're not speaking in your true voice, then you're not being confident. If you're not speaking your truth, then you're not being confident to yourself. Because it really doesn't matter what you tell the public, what goes out into the public domain, doesn't matter as much as what you tell yourself. Because you can only speak truth to yourself. There's no point in telling yourself, man, I am the best tennis player in the world if you don't play tennis. Because you call BS on yourself. But you can go out and tell the world, I am the best golfer, I am a 4 handicap. I'm not even close to a 4 handicap, and I'm not even close to the best golfer, but nobody would know that. But I'm not speaking in my true voice, and that blocks that chakra. And as you hold back more and more, the chakra just shuts down. And when you want to speak truth to power, you can't. Because it's been so long, you don't know how to do it. And it just drives me crazy, the women that are hiding out there. The women that during COVID just got their confidence just rattled for a variety of reasons. And my mission is to help women build their confidence to speak their truth. I want you to become the most powerful woman in the room, in any room. Whether you walk into a room by yourself or you walk into a room with 10,000 people, I want the heads to turn and look at you. Because people, sure, they look at, women for a variety of reasons, but have you ever looked over and you don't know why you find yourself looking over at somebody? Because they walk into the room and you feel them owning it. You feel their energy. You feel their confidence. They don't have to say anything. They can just walk into the doorway and stop and look around, and everybody's going to turn around and look at them. Those are confident women. Those are women whose throat chakra is open. Those are women who know what they want and how to go after it. And sadly, too many of us don't. And I really have focused more and more on my coaching. If you're interested in coaching with me, check out my website. I have a VIP coaching up. Plus, I'm getting ready to introduce a online course, kind of a do-it-yourself course to help your confidence, and throwing in some, nice little options to chit-chat with me. Because I do not want you to wake up one day and be 90 years old and say, what the hell happened? Because at some point in your life, you had extreme confidence. Because it's inherent in us. Have you ever watched little babies? They could be, 2, 3 years old. Well, even little babies that get up and decide, today's the day I'm going to crawl. Today's the day I'm going to roll over. Today's the day I'm going to start walking. They have confidence that they're going to be okay. And then that you go to first grade, and you have the confidence when you're in the first grade, and at some point you start losing your confidence. And a lot of it is the BS going on around us, the media, the comments, everything. But only you can take back your confidence. Only you can say, this is the day I am going to find my blue rose. This is the day I'm going to step in my confidence, and this is the day I'm going to honor who I am. And like I said, if you need any help, let me know. You can check out my YouTube channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, please give me a subscribe. You know, you want to be in my group. I have a free Facebook group, Confidence Reclaimed. Check it out and go into it. I'll be over there a lot more than I have been. I just want everybody to understand how great you are, how amazing you are, and that you have a gift. Everybody has a gift. Nobody on this planet was born without a gift. It's just up to us to find it. So I hope that this helped you guys. If you have any comments, put it in the comments below. You can DM me at any time and ask me anything. Let's just prepare to, when you hit 2022, I want you to wake up on January 1st, 2022 with your hair on fire. I want you to wake up saying, I know what I want for this year, and I'm going to get it. Because December 31st, 2022 is going to show up as well. So you can look back and say, man, I had so many big plans. It's like, you know, we have 2 months left in this year. I have so many big plans for the last 2 months. You know, December 31st, you're sitting there drinking champagne, toasting the year and thinking, I didn't accomplish anything. Or I didn't accomplish my goals. I accomplished goals for everybody else, but not for myself. We're not doing that BS anymore. We're going to start focusing on you as a person. Hope this helped you guys. Here's to you finding your blue rose and reclaiming your confidence. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.